Let's cactus scoops for the pup. Wishing you good luck. 6 beads turned into a dog leash. Adjustable leash, hands-free. 4 beads upgraded to pup toys. 5 beads upgrade to accessories. 4 beads upgraded to pup toys. 3 pouches. Another upgrade again. 1 ring. 1 headband. 2 passport holders. 3 tangles. Fidget cube. 2 eyelashes. 2 squishes. 2 scratch art. 3 stickers. Eye mask. 2 patches. 2 scene stickers. 2 bouncy balls. Sticky notes. That's all. Hope you like it.